Good morning, everyone. It is 6 a.m. Like, why do I have to wake up this early? Anyways, I need to get ready for my photo shoot. But first, let me check my updates on social media and email. Yes, I know it is not good to use my phone first thing in the morning, but come on, who cannot resist to check if there are any new messages? Okay, first up, got to brush my teeth, wash my face, and do light skincare with minimal makeup because makeup will be applied to my face later for the photo shoot. Also, brushing our teeth in the morning is really crucial because it eliminates bad breath and it gives us a morning routine to follow daily. So now that I just finished my mandatory morning routine, it's time to eat. I heard my stomach rumble and grumble like it wasn't happy. I do not have much ingredients left in my fridge and pantry to make a big breakfast, but I know I do have enough fruits and pancake mix to make a few pancakes. So let's get started. This is my finished product. I added some of my good vanilla from Mexico. It smells so good. I wish you could smell it through the screen. Let's dig in. Okay, breakfast. Check. Now it is time to get changed for my photo shoot. I won't do too fancy hairstyles as I will be wearing a wig for my photo shoot. I will do a half up, half down hairstyle and probably wear shorts as the photo shoot will be at the beach.
What the dog doing?
Yay, I'm done with the photo shoot. As you saw, I did a photo shoot for a beach bikini wear brand. It is a brand I really love, so of course I had to accept the offer. Anyways, though the vlog is really short, I hope you enjoyed watching me prepare myself in the morning as a part-time model. If you enjoyed, do like the video and subscribe to my channel.